वो भूत थोड़ी होता है।
वो भूत ही है, दिखते थोड़ी है, कहीं से भी आ जाते हैं, फोन छीन के चले जाते हैं। इट्स नॉट, हमारे मुल्क अच्छा है और सुकून भी है, पीस भी है, whatever. खैर, that's yeah, we are manifesting for the peaceful nation. कभी कोई प्रैंक किया किसी के साथ, या आपसे कोई प्रैंक हुआ है ऐसा?
What kind of prank?
मतलब कोई एक्सट्रीम हो गया है, you felt like oh my god this is too much now.
I did it once when I was like, before I came, I was in school and Maz and me, we both were, हमने एक सिक्योरिटी गार्ड का वो जो था, वो क्या बोलते थे?
कोट।
और हाँ, उनका जो कोट है वो जैकेट होता है, वो लिया और we had a camera, had a whole setup, mic भी था, बैटरी माइक बनाया। So we went on the road and we wanted to prank रास्ते में लोगों को, जैसे ट्रैफिक वाले हैं, and मास नहीं था। So it ended up, long story short, it ended up police coming to my house and asking for the camera and the card and taking me in custody. And then I didn't go.
Oh, you know it.
No, you didn't. बस वो वाली situation है। I don't think I should.
Okay, उसमें ज़्यादा हम रोशनी नहीं डालेंगे।
Yes.
वो वाला पार्ट है। अच्छा, खुशहाल, any such instances in your life where you felt कि यार इस बंदे को ना मैंने अब मार देना है, बट वो लिहाज में इंसान कहता है कि चल जाने दे अब, मतलब कोई सेट पे ऐसा, नाम नहीं पूछूंगा obviously, we don't do controversial stuff, we are not other magazines, but
yeah, it happened very recently when you wanted me to wear those Prada glasses of yours.
He is just pulling me in this interview, but I'm loving it. That's fine. अच्छा, moving ahead with एक सवाल है, if you had to have dinner with any person from the past.
From the past.
Yeah, dead. मतलब फौत में, लेकिन you had to go on a dinner date with that person specifically.
Dinner date?
Date in the sense like
just
dinner,
go for it.
dinner, yeah.
I won't want
क्या है मुद्दों के साथ हम डेट करेंगे?
I want food. I want to go on dinner with. I would. There's a lot of people, man. Like I don't know if I should just pick one. There are athletes, there are actors, there are.
Pick one.
You pick one. You tell me. I'll just carry on my action.
I think Lady Diana.
No, give me the category.
Okay.
He's so like after.
Because I would love to go on like dinner date with Lady Diana.
Yeah, that's your wife right there.
Okay. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, can you give me a specific category? Yeah, actors.
Actors.
Yeah. Okay, actors. I would love to go on and have dinner with Daniel Day-Lewis. For sure. It would be tough to get him, but yeah, for sure.
It's still a task though.
It's still a task?
There's a very silly joke, but I just ate it out. I ate it out. Now I'm going to give you people's name and you have to give them advice.
Give them advice?
Yeah. Like कुछ भी हो सकता है. So I'm not going to add Pakistani industry as much. I'm going to add like Bollywood and Hollywood and people of that.
Okay.
So वो फिर लोग ना लगाए ना कि खुशहाल है किसी के बारे में ये वैसे ही बोलेंगे. So let's start from Fahd Mustafa.
What advice would I have?
Yeah. Genuine advice.
You should good. I mean, you're building more muscles. That would look good on you because you have height and.
He's going into that age also. Bulkiness. Nice. That's true. Okay. Salman Khan. I think you're a Shah Rukh Khan fan, right? I heard that somewhere.
I am. Abhi to I'm
Okay.
just a fan. I'm just everybody's fan. So Salman Khan, Stacey.
Oh,
Yeah.
very intelligent. He is intelligent as well. Okay, let's put that out there. Sabah Qamar Zaman.
There's so much more for you, and you're gonna get it, inshallah. Yes.
Okay.
Don't do so.
Ali Raza.
Ali Raza, that's it.
Okay, there's not advice.
It's not advice. It's like,
You're just asking money.
Advice. Keep my account number next time I ask for money.
Oh, nice.
Just to be on the safe side.
Just to be on the safe side. Okay,
Stop
last
building
one.
more muscles.
Okay, last one. Zara Nurabas.
Blank. I mean, I
She's right outside the car, like in the room, right?
But what advice do I give her?
She's amazing, yeah.
She's amazing, of course, but there's no advice as such.
Okay. What's your guilty pleasure?
I do the random stuff. I don't know, like sometimes it can be just nothing very complicated. We are not so complicated.
Why would you say that?
Depends on what time you read.
Afternoons?
No, like time of my life, not during the day or like time of sleep.
Are you a romantic person? As in like personal life, are you romantic? Like, कोई कुछ लोग होते हैं that they're romantic, some are like not like very realistic as well. So are you like romantic buff कि हाँ मैंने एक fantasy बनाई है कि for like my better half should we do this together, we do that together times.
I do think of stuff and all that, cook stuff in my head.
But you've never मतलब
अभी तो बहुत काम रहता है.
What kind?
Kind of stuff that I've cooked.
I'm not asking जैसे निदा पूछती निदा यासर की बात कर रहा हूँ तो पूछती आप शादी कब करेंगे मैं ऐसे सवाल नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ मतलब ऐसे
जब तारीख
शुगर
आ
कोट
जाएगी. जब तारीख आ जाएगी.
जब तारीख आ जाएगी but I'm
There's
just
no, I'm not.
okay you're not looking into that
No, no,
sort of chapter
no, not right now. Not right now.
okay girls
At all.
दिल टूट गया मुझे आवाज आई
Girls, you do. मैंने नहीं करी सर.
गर्ल्स की टूट गई
That's how you're. I
See?
थोड़ा सा दूसरे.
नहीं safe अच्छा last few questions I
Go for
know
it.
you have to be somewhere else but I mean it's just
Yeah, you should, right?
I just had to wrap this
Put this on
up.
me.
Just I'm
Yeah.
putting it on him.
Yeah.
But Kushal, I had an amazing time with you, and I've heard from so many people around me as well. Like in the industry, obviously we talk a lot and we gossip a lot because हमारा काम ही है.
Stop it, man.
I can't.
No, it's not.
That's like.
You do it.
आप
Good check.
लोग ना करें बच्चों के लिए हानिकारक है बट हम कर सकते हैं. But I've heard so much about कि he's very disciplined. He is punctual on set. I've seen it today also. You know your stuff. You don't interfere in people's business as many people do. So where did it came from? Like वो कहाँ से आया? वो बचपन से एक चीज़ आप में इंग्रेव हुई या with time you've learned that?
No, it's that I don't care about वो चीजें. Well, I don't know how to answer this question. It's just a thing, inbuilt thing. I don't care about anybody else's life and all that. जिनको मैं नहीं जानता हूँ वो अपने ताल्लुक नहीं चाहता. I don't really entertain that.
Yeah.
So.
But I found you like my perspective, if that matters. My perspective is that you're a very chill person. At the same time, you know your boundaries and you know that other person's boundaries also. कि वो कहाँ तक आपके साथ infiltrate कर
Yes,
सकते हैं.
because I'm not too quick to judge. I take my time to understand a person, and then I would speak to them only then if I understand them. थोड़ा बहुत भी कि अच्छा इनको क्या हुआ है उस हिसाब से I speak to them. But other than that, I don't have any
Are you a person of award or reward?
reward.
For time.
Always reward. I mean, I'm
And what is your biggest reward that you manifest कि अच्छा आगे जाके मैंने ये चीज़ अगर की तो ये मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा reward है.
I'm yet to get that.
Yeah, but what is that? What is that level?
I just want to show it up with that. Inshallah.
And I फिर एक और बंदी का नाम लूँगा क्योंकि ये सारा कुछ यहाँ से देखते हैं but नहीं नाम लेता छोड़ो but बात बता you are into production as well I've heard
I'm into production as well.
like not abhi but in the future you also want to be in production.
If I have shit ton of money then.
You will have.
Inshallah.
Don't you have now?
Shit ton of money?
Yeah.
What is
I
shit
heard
ton?
actors earn a lot.
You've heard it. Seriously about it.
नहीं मैंने देखा भी है किसी.
कुल कितना पैसा लगता है? And do you think that's shit ton?
But सही पाकिस्तान में ये मिल जाए काफी है.
When you know that your work is not going to be compromised, when I'm doing production, I want to make sure that
Everything is
I have it.
perfect and
Yes,
seamless.
like I'm not going to compromise.
One of your favorite project of yours.
Oh, that
एक
was
होगा जो अब वो I'm not saying about the storyline और ये इस वजह से but वो ऐसे होते हैं कि आपके दिल में वो घर कर जाता है कि हाँ ये project ना मुझे वैसे ही बहुत अच्छा लगा.
I'm looking forward to the project. No, I mean it in a way that every project that I've done has been an experience itself.
I think Dunyapur for me was a very cool project in
You
Pakistani. Yeah, I've watched few episodes obviously, not like
Which
entirely
one?
followed the first two. The first two, but the production value of that thing is
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
that's huge. That's
Yeah.
like not compromised work
Yeah.
when it comes to drums.
So I like Green also, the way
Color.
they
The channel.
the channel. They are paying me money to say this.
They are?
I'm just hoping they do one day. मतलब सही है. But Khushal, thank you so much for your time. It was fantastic talking to you and having this conversation. Honestly, I was looking forward to this. मैं रात को सोते हुए ये सोच रहा था कि क्या सवाल करूँगा. अभी यहाँ बैठ के मैं सारे भूल गया. मैं genuinely just.
Perfect. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
मैं rapid fire भी करने वाला था. बड़ा controversial सब मैंने कहा छोड़ो कोई बात नहीं. He's a good guy.
He's a good guy. Keep it perfect.
It's good.
Man, thank you so much.
Just to our audience, say like and subscribe and share this interview. ये होना चाहिए जरूर.
Like and subscribe to
Sunday Times.
Sunday Times and yeah.
Yeah, my YouTube channel is not launched yet, but yeah, soon. Inshallah. Soon to be.
If he's a nice guy.
22nd December for this cover to come. So you at the end of the year are gem. Thank you guys, and this is sign out for this one.